Here's some Brooklyn in the 1980s trivia. Subscribe. What hip-hop group had a hit with Fight for Your Right in the 1980s? Is it A, De La Soul, B, NWA, C, Beastie Boys, or D, Salt and Peppa? The correct answer is C, Beastie Boys. Which Brooklyn bridge underwent extensive renovations starting in 1980? Is it A, Queensboro Bridge, B, Manhattan Bridge, C, Williamsburg Bridge, or D, Brooklyn Bridge? The correct answer is D, Brooklyn Bridge. What type of music rose to prominence in Brooklyn during the 1980s? Is it A, jazz, B, disco, C, hip-hop, or D, punk rock? The correct answer is C, hip-hop. Which popular 1980 musical featured the song What I Did for Love? Is it A, Les Miserables, B, A Chorus Line, C, Rent, or D, West Side Story? The correct answer is B, A Chorus Line. What Brooklyn neighborhood was pivotal in the birth of punk rock in the 1980s? Is it A, Park Slope, B, Red Hook, C, Dumbo, or D, Crown Heights? The correct answer is A, Park Slope. What well-known Brooklyn high school was established in 1984? Is it A, Brooklyn Technical High School, B, Bishop Loughlin, C, James Madison, or D, Stuyvesant High School? The correct answer is A, Brooklyn Technical High School. Which Brooklyn rapper gained fame in the late 1980s with hits like Mama Said Knock You Out? Is it A, LL Cool J, B, Nas, C, Jay-Z, or D, Big Pun? The correct answer, LL Cool J. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.